Good morning, class 6 students. Welcome back to Maths online class. Now we are going through the revision classes. Today we revise the chapter 12, ratio and proportion. So what do you mean by ratio? It is a method of comparison using division. Is it? Ratio is a method of comparison. So you can watch the class and revise the portion. So we know that ratio is a method of comparison in terms of how many times. That means we are finding using division. And its symbol is, this is the symbol, this colon symbol is used to ratio. Then two quantities how can be compared? If they are in the same unit. Okay. So if we use centimeter, both of the quantities or all the quantities should be in centimeter. Or if it is in meter, it should be in meter. If it is in paise, all the quantities should be in paise. Otherwise, we have to convert to same units. That is very important. Here from this section, same units, we can do one question. Find the ratio of 90 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here you can see centimeter and here meter. So, we have to convert either to centimeter or meter. Converted 1.5 meter to 150 centimeter because 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Then ratio 90 itself. 1.5 meter we have written 150. 90 by 150. So, by cutting zeros we can write 9 by 15. But here the highest common factor is 3. We have to divide with the highest common factor or HCF to get the lowest form. That is very important. Divide by HCF. Children, we should cover all the portions by this revision class. Okay. So, before the class, you should learn the topic well. And you can clear by this revision class. Okay. So, we can write 3 by 5 as 3:5. So, this is the method to find the ratio of different quantities in different units. First we have to convert them into same units. Okay. Next topic is equivalent ratio. We have found the equivalent fraction. Do you remember that the same method we can adopt here to find the equivalent ratio. How we will get the equivalent ratios? Equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, same number. So, first question, write two equivalent ratio of 6:4. How we will find? Either we can divide or we can multiply. Here, this is not in the lowest form, so we can find its lowest form by dividing with the HCF. By dividing with the HCF, we will get the lowest form. It is also a equivalent ratio. So, here 6 by 4. 6 by 4. 3 by 2. We can write 3:2. This is by dividing by HCF. Next we multiplying with 2 by 2. We will get another equivalent ratio. Here 6 by 4 into 2 by 2. 6 into 2, 12. 4 into 2, 8. So 12:8. Okay. So, here we got two equivalent ratios. One is by division, another one is by multiplication. You can use the two fractions by multiplication or by division. Any method you can use. Okay. Next one, using this concept, we can fill the blank spaces, blank boxes. 15 by 18 equal to dash by 6. That's equal to dash by 30. How we will write? 15 by 18. Here the relation between 18 and 6. What is the relation between 18 and 6? 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the same operation we have to do with the 15. 15 divided by 3. So we can write 15 by 18 division 3 by 3. That's equal to 5 by 6. So this box can be filled by 5. Next one is that's equal to dash by 30. Then we can take this 5 by 6 to complete this box. 5 by 6 into which number will get here. So 6 into 5 is 30. So this 5 into 5, 25. So we can write this fraction as 25 by 30. Children, today you should learn this lesson because this revision of this chapter is not completed. We will meet with the next topics from this lesson. Till you have to learn this chapter. Thank you. We can meet again in the next session.